and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about skin cycling. So what is skin cycling? It is a popular trend doing the rounds on social media right now, so let's break it down for you. It basically refers to a 3 or 4 day cycle where on day 1 you do an exfoliation step, on day 2 you use any kind of retinols or actives, and day 3 and 4 are usually kept aside for just repair and hydration and nothing else, to give your skin a chance to really recuperate and repair itself. Now, most of us fall into this kind of a routine naturally, but if you are new to skincare and you've just got a lot of different kinds of products, or if you have multiple skin concerns and you don't really understand how you should split your routine through the week, then this video is going to be perfect for you. We'll break down what you can do on each day and also give you some product suggestions in case you haven't already got them. If you do already have a routine in place, you can simply follow along the steps with whatever you have. Let's begin. Now, even though some of us might be familiar with this process, the term skin cycling that is currently trending on all kinds of social media has been credited to dermatologist Dr. Whitney Bowe. She's a New York-based dermatologist and describes the process as the same 4 steps that we talked about in the beginning of this video. If you want to create the same routine, then please watch ahead. We have 2 versions. One is an advanced version and one is a beginner version, and they will be placed side by side so you can follow whichever one you feel is right for your level. Now, let's begin with the morning routine. This is because this stays the same throughout your cycle and you don't really have to make any changes day to day. It's entirely up to you if you want to, but the morning routine generally focuses on a basic cleanse, toning, and using some kind of antioxidant and of course sunscreen. Now, if you're looking for a good cleanser for a skin cycling routine, we highly recommend the cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It is a very mild cleanser that really does a good job of taking off any impurities, plus it uses betaine salicylate and tea tree leaf oil, which help keep your pores clear, and it's great at keeping away any kind of acne triggers. If you are looking to follow it up with a very nice hydrating toner to keep your skin feeling fresh through the day, we recommend the Claire Supple Preparation Facial Toner. It uses something called Lipidur and also beta-glucan, both of which are super hydrating and moisturizing so your skin stays plump and refreshed. Plus, if you are someone with dehydrated skin, you can layer it on a couple of times because it's a very nice lightweight toner and you won't feel greasy in the hot day. Now, for the antioxidant step in your morning routine, if you don't want to use another active because you already have some kind of exfoliant and vitamin C or retinol in the later steps, what you can do is try out one of the One Thing toners because a lot of their ingredients are powerful antioxidants, plus you're going to get a concentrated extract. Our recommendation is the broccoli extract because it is very good at repairing your skin barrier, so you can get a few extra steps of skin repair in there in the morning itself. Plus, if you have sensitive skin, any kind of redness, acne, the broccoli extract is perfect for you. It does a great job of healing your skin, and also it contains a lot of antioxidants that do keep your skin looking healthy. Now, if you don't mind using an active in the mornings, what you can do is pair the Be Plain multivitamin ampule with your actives and exfoliants because it uses a very gentle 5% niacinamide. And niacinamide plays well with exfoliants like BHA. It also works well with the vitamin C routine, so it won't really interfere with the next steps of your skin cycling process. Plus, it is formulated to be gentle on your skin, so you are going to get the benefits of the antioxidants without feeling like you're overdoing it. Now, finally, you have to use a sunscreen in the mornings, and we recommend the Be Plain Clean Ocean Non-Nano Mild Sunscreen. It is a physical sunscreen. It uses zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and because of its non-nano formula, you are going to be able to use it if you have sensitive skin. It is formulated to be very gentle, and it provides the right amount of protection, especially when you are using exfoliants and actives in your routine. So make sure you carry your sunscreen where you go and don't forget to reapply through the day. Let's begin with day 1. Now, day 1 is all about exfoliation, so we are going to be talking about BHA today because we need something that will help unclog our pores but also play nicely with the other ingredients in our routine. So what you can do is continue to use your existing cleanser and toner because they don't really need to change as they are very calming and soothing products. Once you're done with those steps, what you can do is introduce a gentle BHA into your routine. The reason to use gentler alternatives to say a 2% salicylic acid is because you already have so many products in your routine and you don't necessarily need higher percentages to make sure you see those results. It's better to use gentler and lower percentages for a longer period of time to see consistent results instead. Now, if you're a beginner and you're looking for something to help with clogged pores and dead skin, then we highly recommend the S&P Prep Hyaluronic Serum. It contains mild percentages of BHA in the form of betaine salicylate, which really helps unclog your pores and get rid of any kind of dead skin. Plus, because it's gentle, you can use it with other actives in your routine without worrying about damaging your skin barrier. It also contains ingredients like ceramides, which are fantastic for helping maintaining your skin barrier health, so you should definitely give this a try. If you are looking for a more advanced option or a slightly more concentrated alternative, then you should definitely check out the cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. The cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid does a fantastic job of unclogging your pores and getting rid of any kind of blackheads and dead skin. If you want something that is stronger than the S&P Hyaluronic Serum but also gentler than pure 2% salicylic acid, then the cosrx option is perfect for you. It uses 4% betaine salicylate, which is comparable to 2% salicylic acid serums, so you are going to receive the benefits of using a BHA in your routine. If you also have very oily skin and need something to help control your sebum production, then this is going to do a fantastic job for you. It pairs very well with niacinamide as well, so if you want to use the B-Plane ampule in the mornings, you can. Now for night 2, we focus on retinols, or if you aren't using any retinols, you can also swap it out for a good vitamin C. You can continue using the same cleanser and toner. When you get to your active step, you can try out the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. It is 5% L-ascorbic acid and it works really well with BHAs and niacinamide as well. So all of those in your routine will play very well together. Now the Klairs Vitamin Drop also uses calming ingredients like Centella asiatica, yuzu extract, and also has a few peptides. So it is going to give your skin that overall boost and glow that it requires while also keeping it really calm and soothed. If you are a beginner or if you just prefer more gentle formulations, then the Klairs option is great for you because 5% pure L-ascorbic acid can actually really help improve your skin tone and texture, get rid of any kind of basic acne marks and hyperpigmentation, but at the same time it's not going to irritate your skin and it's going to be very gentle on your skin barrier. Now once you're done with that, to ensure that your skin stays really calm and soothed, you can also follow it up with a different moisturizer this time. Try the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Since you've already had an exfoliating night and now you're on your actives, it's important to make sure that you are taking care of your skin alongside as well and not just relying on day 3 and 4. Now this is a cream that uses something called guasoline. It is a chamomile derivative and is very often actually even used to help treat burns and any kind of rosacea. So in this cream, you can use it to calm your skin down and ensure that it stays healthy even with all of your actives and exfoliants. Plus it contains Centella asiatica extract as well, so it is going to make sure that your skin is being repaired and is also receiving all the benefits it needs. It has a very cooling sensation as well, so while the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop might feel a little warm on application, once you apply this cream after, it will cool the temperature of your skin and so you will feel like your skin is being soothed. Now we come to the fun part, which is day 3 and 4. Because they are meant for hydration and repair to strengthen your skin barrier, you can really play around with a lot of different products, a lot of different kinds of soothing creams, ampules, essences, etc. and have a lot of fun with this. Now first up, you can of course still continue with the same cleanser because you don't really need to change that just because the days are different. You can also follow it up with the same toner, the Klairs Supple Preparation Toner, or just continue using the toner you already had. If you want something that is a little more repairing, we would recommend that you add in the One Thing Centella Asiatica extract along with your toner, because it really boosts your skin's repairing abilities and it ensures that your barrier remains strengthened. Following that, if you want something to really calm your skin, then you must try cosrx's cult product, which has currently gone viral for good reason. Their Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Now this has a very nice hydrating texture. It's lightweight and can also be layered on with your toner, so you aren't going to feel heavy or greasy. You can put on one layer or two if you want a little bit of extra hydration, and it plays well with your moisturizer and really helps draw in that moisture and repair your skin. Now my personal favorite is the Be-Plane Multi Hyaluronic Acid Ampule. This is because it adds in a lot more hydration because of the kind of hyaluronic acid it uses derived from mushrooms. They are able to hold a lot more moisture and it really softens and conditions your skin. So if you want something along with your toner or the cosrx snail essence to really draw in the moisture you need, then this is perfect for you, especially if you have dry or dehydrated skin. And finally, to lock it all in, we have the One Thing Centella Soothing Cream. Like its name, it really helps calm your skin down and it uses Centella Asiatica extract to really repair your skin. Plus, it's a lightweight gel texture, so it's not going to feel very greasy or heavy along with your other layers. We hope this helped explain skin cycling and that you enjoy these product recommendations. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.